Om Shri Sai Ram. How are you all doing, my dear friends? I just want you to visualize this scenario. Just imagine that you have bought a trendy, latest, costly bike for your son. Your son is so overjoyed seeing the bike. But as days pass by, he doesn't care about the bike. There's a lot of dust and dirt that has settled on it. He doesn't take it for any servicing, and there are times when the petrol even runs out. And what about the tires? He doesn't bother about it again. How frustrating it could be for us when we see that. If this is the case, with regard to a bike that costs probably a lakh or two, what about the invaluable treasure that God has gifted each of us? I am sure you understood what I am talking about. It is this physical body for which there is no replacement at all. And what have all of us done with it? I think the past 2 years will make us understand and realize the way we have taken care of this precious gift, and only when there is some trouble, we all go about grumbling. So my dear friends, don't be lazy, don't postpone, don't procrastinate, because this is the right time that we give more attention to our physical body and to our fitness. So what are we waiting for? Come on, my dear friends, let us put on our shoes, or it doesn't matter even if you are barefooted. Come on, let us start with the walking exercise. Let us begin by standing straight. Roll your shoulders back, pull your stomach in, and lift your right leg and left hand up. So let us swing our arms, lift our legs nicely, and do this power walking. So if we walk this way, it will be very beneficial and we will be able to lose a lot of weight. And if you feel that this type of walking is still easy for you, you could shift to jogging also, or on the spot running. But make sure that your stomach is pulled in. Now we start the first set of exercises for 30 seconds. The first one is squats. This will be very helpful for us to tone our back and our thighs. So in this pattern, we will be walking for 30 seconds and we will be performing some exercise that will tone up our body for 30 seconds. In case you find any of these exercises to be tough, just continue walking. So again we are back to walking before you realize, and 1 minute is over. So this is actually a 7-minute exercise regime that we are trying to put out for you. Try to do this once in the morning and once in the evening. Though the time frame is very less, I'm sure you will start seeing the results if you follow what all was told to you. The second one is jumping jacks. This exercise will activate your entire body. Try to keep your stomach tight within. If you feel you cannot jump, just step. Take a step to the right and take a step to the left. And now we are back to walking. Keep your chin up and continue to walk. Pull your stomach inside, but definitely breathe nicely. Make it a brisk walk, my dear friends. Surely we can spend 7 minutes in a day towards our fitness. So the next one is lifting your legs and trying to touch your toes. In case you are not able to do it this way, no worries. Just lift your leg and also try to reach out with your hands wherever you are able to touch it. It could be your knees or your ankle. And if you are able to do it this way, then there's nothing like it. Again, hold your stomach inside. And try to keep your knees straight. Back to walking. You could walk around the room, you could walk anywhere. If there is more space, you could pace across the room. If there is less space, just stick on to the place where you are. You could also try jogging now if you are not so tired.
and again the 30 seconds is over. Now we are doing these punches. This will strengthen our hands. Again, remember to keep your core very tight, your stomach very tight, and give more force as you punch. Think you're punching out all your worries and all your problems. Give it a hard punch. Yes, you're back to walking now. Come on, let us do some brisk walking. Yes, increase the pace. Lovely. Now this is again exercising your whole body. Just have a jump and go crawl forward and come back again. It looks tough, but believe me, once you start doing, it will be very, very easy for you. Yes, it's over already. Now back to walking. So just these 7 minutes we are going to exercise in the morning as well as in the evening, and this will be a wonderful beginning for our day. I think we need to allocate at least this much time towards ourselves, towards our well-being. And this is the really famous exercise that is promoted everywhere. Keep your body very stiff, your stomach held in. Make your legs straight. Try not to bend, look in front. And maintain this posture at least for 30 seconds. And if possible, if you are able to do it for longer, nothing like it. Okay, back to walking. Breathe easy. Take deep breaths as you walk or do the exercise. There is no need for us to hold our breath, but it is important to keep our stomach held in. Lift your knees nicely. The next one again is targeting our stomach or the core. Through this exercise, you will be experiencing the pull in the sides of your body and also in your stomach and your thighs. Try to keep those organs stiff when you're doing these exercises. Now we are back to walking. I think we are almost heading the end of this session. Hope you found this exercise very vigorous and stimulating. So now that we had a plan for us elders, probably your elder kids could do, but what about our young children sitting at home? We tend to get worried that they don't have any physical exercise, isn't it? So here we have come up with a wonderful way, a way in which it will motivate our young children to do some exercises which will be very good for them. It will tone them from head to toe. Maximum it will take 3 to 5 minutes. So we have done this in a way to attract our kids to take up to exercising, and we already have 3 of our boys doing it. So have fun watching the way this entire exercise is designed. I'm sure you would have a lot of fun creating this or recreating this in your terrace or in your balcony or in your living room. And as you exercise, probably you could also engage your child to do it. So here we go.
My dear friends, how did you find the new exercise regime that we have put up? Grab a bottle of water and drink some water, and if you are not tired, do this twice consecutively. Or if you are tired, do once in the morning and once in the evening. But the most important thing is get started and keep moving. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share this wonderful video with your family and friends and motivate everybody to do. And I would also want you to give in the comments how you felt doing these exercises, and spread this positivity and motivate each other to follow this exercise. Stay tuned, stay fine, stay fit. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.